Hello, welcome to another video. Walk around. My name is Christian, and today we're going to be looking at a 2017 Honda Civic DX. This is a 5-passenger 4-door sedan in white. Under the hood, you'll find a 2-liter 4-cylinder riding on top of 16-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features that you'll find are your sporty front end. You also got daytime running lights and a trunk release button, which allows for easy access. But now why don't we hop inside the Civic and see what else it has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button, as well as our trunk release button, which we'll get to in just a moment. Press the unlock button once to the driver's side. We're going to take a look in the front first. In the door here, right on the bottom, you do have some nice storage space, and there is a trunk release button right there as well. You also have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. All weather mats equipped in the entire vehicle, as well as the black cloth seating. And on the bottom, you do have your manual seating adjustment little levers. Now why don't we hop inside? We're going to start this Civic up. So what we're going to do first, take a look on the left side of the steering wheel here. These arrows will just help you navigate through your entertainment display that's located right in the center there. You also have your volume options, hands-free calling, and your voice recognition system. Before we move on to the entertainment display, just to quickly show you that this Honda Civic does have 36,157 kilometers on it. So now let's move on to entertainment display. If we go ahead and press media, you can connect your phone through Bluetooth and USB. If we go on radio, you have your standard AM and FM options, of course. Backup camera is equipped. There it is. You also get those nice guidelines. Moving down to our climate control system. Nothing complicated, nice and simple. You got your temperature options, intensity, and right there you do also have your heated side mirror button, some storage space. Here you have your manual 6-speed shifter, eco mode, electronic parking brake, and you got this nice little center console that opens up like so, and these two cup holders do slide. Lastly, we're going to take a look in the glove box. It does feature owner's manual. Plenty of space in here as well. But now why don't we just close that right up. Before we open up the cargo, let's take a quick look in the back first. In the bottom of the door, you have some storage just like the driver's side. Continuing with the all-weather mats and that black cloth seating. So all you got to do is hold this third button on your key fob and that trunk will open for you. Nice and easy. Plenty of cargo space in this sedan. And to show you that underneath here, if we just lift this, you do have your spare tire and all the tools in case that ever goes. But now why don't we close up? Just give it a gentle push. Taking a last look at our 2017 Honda Civic DX. Once again, some of those great interior features include your 6-speed manual transmission, Bluetooth audio, and backup camera. There's still a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Avenue and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.